Welcome back guys, and this video is regarding WhatsApp. One small thing in WhatsApp in which most of people are struggling. Those who are knowing this, they do not have go to through this video because they are knowing it. Though who does not know this video may be useful for that. So straight away coming to the topic, if you are going to the WhatsApp and suppose we want to send a location, means we want to send our location to unknown person. Suppose in this case, if I have to send the so for sending the location, what I need to do, what you need to do, just here when you are seeing one plus signal, tap it on and here location is coming. In some cases where WhatsApp is not updated, this will come on this side. So as soon as you see this, just tap on the location and you can send your live location from here. So just go here, send the location, and you select your current location or any location. You can send that location to that person. This is all I wanted to tell you in this short video. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.